Have you ever wondered where this, or even this goes after you throw it away? Well, Ontario transports 9 million tons of municipal solid waste to landfills every year, which accounts for 69% of annual waste produced by the province. Here at Queen's, we generate approximately 2,838 metric tons of solid, non-hazardous waste annually and divert only 34% of this total from landfills. Let's take a look at what happens to the majority of our waste once we throw it away on campus. Waste from Queen's campus is first transported to the Kingston Transfer Station and from there to the Trenton Transfer Station in Trenton, Ontario. From Trenton, the waste takes a journey around Lake Ontario and finally reaches the High Acres landfill in Fairport, New York, where it will be stored forever. Great, so all this waste has arrived at a landfill across the border. Why do we even care? Well, landfilling is problematic for several reasons. It results in compromised animal health and habitats, pollutant leakage into underground and surface water, and additional fuel consumption and pollutant production as trucks transport large volumes of waste to landfills. Our garbage travels a whole 487.52 kilometers from Queens to reach its final resting place in Fairport, New York. Landfills are also large anthropogenic emitters of the greenhouse gas methane, and Canadian landfills account for 20% of national methane emissions. Methane is the second most abundant greenhouse gas. Its ability to trap heat in the atmosphere is 21 times greater than that of CO2, which makes it more potent in terms of its climate change potential than even carbon dioxide. To counter this problem, it's important to focus on the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Primarily, it is important to reduce your waste. Think before you consume products and produce waste. Secondly, reuse materials when you can. Finally, if you are producing waste, make sure you recycle it. Use the appropriate campus disposal bins for paper, glass, plastic, and organics. Based on a 2011 campus waste audit, food waste, or organics, accounts for the largest portion of campus waste, representing 69.5% of our landfill stream here at Queen's. Diverting organic material such as food from landfills using composting on campus will reduce production of methane in the first place. The organic material can also then be used to generate useful products such as compost. Overall, diverting waste from landfills saves energy, prevents overexploitation of natural resources, decreases the production of unnecessary pollutants, and fights long-term climate change. Let's practice sustainable waste management on campus by disposing of our waste in appropriate bins. Remember, even if we can't change the past, we're all creating the future.